Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I achieved this beautiful hairstyle on myself that I'm wearing, and it's called Miracle Knot. So let's get into it. The hair I'm going to be using today for the hairstyle is from this company called Lockbraids, and I am not no stranger to them. I've used their hair before and I absolutely love it. And this came with the hair. It has some combs and clips and crochet needle in it, everything I need to do the hairstyle. They sent me 2 packs like that, but each pack had 2 pieces just like that inside of it. So I had 4 packs of hair to do my hairstyle today. And I'm just removing my bonnet to show you guys what I have here, and this is how I braided my hair before I started attaching the extensions to it. And I absolutely love doing it this way, but I feel like I'm gonna be changing it up coming soon, so stick around to see how I will be doing it in other videos. So to start off, of course, I section off my hair. I take out the front and put them in little buns, and I'm gonna take off the back too and put that in buns, and just leave out the ones that I'm gonna be doing the braids on, starting the braids on. And as you saw me rubbing on my edge there, it's because I oiled my hair prior to doing this and the oil was coming down. So make sure if you're gonna do hairstyles like this, you oil your scalp, because you're gonna need that. So this is what the hair looks like, and I'm actually holding 3 pieces right now in my hand, so it looks bigger, of course. And I'm gonna be using 3 pieces on each of the hair strands I have in my hair. Well, maybe not hair strands, but each of the box braids I have done so far. I'm gonna be using 3 pieces on them. I'm gonna plait one onto the bottom, and I'm showing you just how thin it is, so it's just so easy to work with. That's one thing I really like about it. So I'm going to plait the first one onto the end, just like you see me doing there. And after I done plait it on, I'm going to show you again, guys, where I add the other 2. And to plait it on, I use my hair as one strand, and then I use each side of the braid, not the braiding hair, the extension as the other 2 strand, and then I just plait it all the way down. Sometimes I take pieces from my hair and add it into the, the hair I'm adding on, and continue braiding it like that. But here I am adding on the second piece. I'm adding it to the middle, as you can see, and I use a crochet to do it. For some reason my camera got cut out there. Something was wrong with my card, the SD card that I was using, so I had to change it. But here we go, we're gonna be doing it again, same thing on this side, and show you guys exactly how I do it. So to add the second piece on, I push the crochet needle right in the middle of my extension, and then I attach the hair on it and pull it through. And after I pull it through, I loop it, and that's the way I put the second piece on in the middle. And I'm gonna put the last piece on very similar to this. See how easy that was, y'all? So let's go ahead and do the third piece, which I'm doing in the root of the hair. For some reason I absolutely love them in the root, so every single one of them getting one in the root, and then I'm just gonna pull it right through and then loop it again, just like I did with the middle piece. And that's all it takes to do one piece, and if you ask me, y'all, I don't think it's that hard. So we're gonna go ahead and continue to do some more before I get to the end and show you guys what it looks like after I was done installing them all. And if you looked carefully at this one that I'm installing right now, guys, you probably noticed that I split my hair and added a piece into the hair that I'm adding in, and this is actually the best way to do it because it stays in more secure, and that's exactly what you want, because you don't want them falling out after you're wearing them. Braiding my hair this time around compared to the last time I did this style took me longer than putting in the extensions. And I must say, if you guys want to know how much braids I have in my hair, I am not 100% sure, but if you look at the clip that I added to the end of this video, that might help you to count them on your own. And this was about up to where I got with the very first pack, y'all, and If you want to know how much packs I used to do my hair, I did not use the entire pack of 4 here, but I opened all 4. The last one I used only a few out of it, maybe like 12 pieces out of the last one. And since it's the same thing I'm doing over and over, but I really don't want to cut the video, I want you guys to see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, let the music play and you guys could watch and see what I'm doing. I'll certainly cut back in if there's anything else that I need to share while we're, you know, going through it. This is where I open the 3rd pack, you guys, and I'll show you again when I get to the 4th pack where I open it. I must note also, guys, that I'm gonna be linking a video below that's gonna show you how I braid my hair before I start adding in the extension. If you're interested in seeing that, click on the link that's in the description box and it will take you to that video. And this is where I open the 4th and final pack, which I only have 3 in one row and I think 4 in the other row, which means I only took about 12 pieces from the last pack to do the remaining that I have here. And this is the very last one, so of course I slow it down. I was excited to reach the end because I also wanted to see what it would look like when I was all done. And of course I ended up loving it so much, just like the last time I did this style. And now I'm gonna go ahead and go do my makeup, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look with hair, makeup, and outfit. And this is what it looks like, you guys. I did not add anything to the hair. I didn't even cut it like I did with the last style I did. But sometimes when I do these styles, I'll spray some water on it and add product to it. But I didn't do that because I wanted, you know, to keep the curls looking nice and full the way they are. And yeah, this is what it looks like. I tried a few different styles just so you guys can see when you do your hair like this. It's very versatile. You have so much options, so much different ways you could do your hair. I thought this one was very cute. I remember when I just started braiding my hair on YouTube, I used to do styles like this in it. So this definitely reminds me of, you know, back then when I just started. So yeah, I thought this was cute, and if you are a girly that like edges, of course you could, you know, leave some out when you do this hairstyle, and you know, just do your thing, do it however you like it, because it's your style, it's you. I also, you know, did a half up, half down, and let two piece out in the front, because why not? And I thought this style was also very cute. I'm just saying, be playful, you know, with the hairstyle, change it up a little bit, do different things that you like, and see what works for you. And like I said in the beginning, this is not something that is hard to do. If you could braid your own hair, then you should be able to do this hairstyle. All you gotta do is add the extension after you braid your hair in little box braids. I couldn't finish this video without doing my classic bun, of course. So yeah, I did the bun with the two pieces coming out the front again, like I usually do. And this is actually one of my favorite style. I wear this most of the time. Anyway guys, thank you again so much for stopping by and watching my video. Again, if you have any questions, leave them down below and I will get back to them as soon as I possibly can. Also, remember to stay tuned for that clip at the end if you want to see how many braids I have in my hair. So on the right side here, I have 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, and on the other side is the same amount. For the back, I have 2, 4, 6, 6, 6, and 3, counting down from top to bottom. Hope this was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't already done so. See you in the next one. Bye.